Well, people liked it so much last time, let's do it again. But we'll step it up a notch this time. Hello everyone, Dan Hurd Prospecting here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. In the fall, I came down to this spot here, and I did a video where I did one pan from start to finish. No cuts in the video, no edits, no special effects, no drone shots, none of that stuff. Just one continuous shot. I'm gonna do that again. Same spot, but I'm stepping it up. Ooh. There we go. First edit that's not going to be there. I'm going to step it up a notch this time, and we're going to do 2 pans at once and see what's in this spot for gold. Wish me luck, and I hope you enjoy. So, right here, this is the spot we're going to be working. I dug right underneath my boots last time. I'm going to move over a little bit, maybe off on this side, and get a full pan. Let me set up the camera and get digging. Ah, there we go. Let's rock. Okay, there's a clear spot. Time to dig. Now this gravel is very loose, and if you saw my last video, you'll know I mentioned gold is often not in loose gravel like this, but hey, it's here, so gold is where you find it. Let's get that camera in a bit closer. Nice full pan. Good material. Is that enough? One more shovelful in there. Let's go find a sitting rock. Where am I gonna pan today? Right there looks good. Find a place to put the camera. Hopefully it stays there. All right. Don't swap the boot. Nope. I'll sit and rock. That camera's too far away. Let's get her closer. I think I just got water in my boot. Oops. Camera don't want to sit there. Don't want this camera falling into the drink. There we go. I think people like the one single take because they got to see it all. They didn't question whether I was doing things during the cuts. They didn't think, oh, maybe I planted gold. They didn't think all those nasty things. And they got to see everything I do. Clearing rocks, how I shovel, how I pan, how I choose a spot, camera work. I think that's why they liked it so much last time. So, again, doing it again, but step it up a notch. We're gonna do 2 pans worth. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this down to just a tiny bit in the bottom. I'm not even gonna reveal what's there. Then I'm gonna go and put a whole pan worth on top again. Pan it all down, and we should have 2 pans worth of gold in the one pan. Hopefully it makes for a good reveal. And again, you get to sort of see how much time it takes me to do the whole process. I know, someone out there is saying, hey, just pan, Dan, stop talking. I like to talk. It's what I do. Turn so you can see it a bit more. If you saw my video last year, in the fall, there was some pretty nice gold here. Now this is the Fraser River, so it is fine gold. There's some big flakes here, but they're very flat. You gotta take your time so they don't surf on the heavy sands and surf out of your pan. But in this part of the Fraser, I've never found any nuggets, so it's all gonna be flakes in there. Okay, that's down to the nitty-gritty. Let's just bring that into the bottom of the pan. I'll step off the water. Bring that in the bottom of the pan. Put the classifier back on top of it. And let's go dig again. Where are we going? I'm gonna go over there this time. If I can move these rocks. One-handed, because I'm holding the camera. There we go. Ooh, that's juicy stuff. Put that in. That's good looking stuff. Okay, sitting down the camera. And let's dig. Get rid of the big rocks. Those aren't nuggets. No point taking up space in the pan with big rocks. Let's put the stuff in it that could have gold. Fill the pan to the top as much as I can get in it. As much as I can get. I want it to be a good one. Okay, that's it. Again, set down the camera somewhere here. Try this rock. This might do it better. I'll be back. I'm coming. Here we go. That's a full pan. Lots of gold. This water is cold. It's February 22nd today, I think. Still in the middle of winter, and this water is cold. Yes, I got rubber gloves back in the backpack right over there, but tough it out today. Freeze those fingers today. I hope it's recording. I haven't checked to see I actually hit the record button. I have a wind muff on it right now, so I can't see the red light flashing. I really hope it's flashing under there. This would be pretty funny if I did all this without hitting the record button. Would not be the first time. In fact, I just lost an entire video because my SD card corrupted. And even after I did a bunch of the programs to recover lost videos on SD cards, every program just said there was nothing there. Very annoying. I hate losing videos. All that work for nothing. Ooh. I think we should get the camera in closer now. Ugh. That's what we're at right now. Right there. Oh, look, it is recording. Okay. One-handed panning. I can do it now, it's later. What a beautiful day on the Fraser. I'm really hoping there's gold in here. Oh, I think I just saw a flash in the corner. Often gold will wash out in the back corners, and you can see a flash of yellow back there once in a while. If you didn't know that little trick, I just brought everything back to the bottom for a second and then shook it and moved forward, and that keeps all of the gold, well, tries to keep the gold in the back riffle and not working forward into the front riffle. Okay, let's do this one-handed. Pull out some rocks. No nuggets. I sure hope there's gold. I think it's, oh, I saw a piece jump from the back to the front. I'd say that means it's time to have a look. Is there gold? I see gold. Nice. Ooh, not as much as last time, but still a nice amount. Okay, let's tap that all into one spot and get a nice close-up picture. I'm gonna set the camera down for that. Camera, right there. Oh, tripod. Tripod error. Okay. We're gonna move all that gold into one spot for one picture. I think last time I did this, I had about twice as much gold as this. And I only had one pan. Well, there's one really nice flake in there. Okay, when I'm putting gold in one spot for a picture, I like leaving some black sand with it and that leaf makes a nice contrast for the camera. So there we go. Ah, swished too fast. Let's put shit back into one spot. Okay, one runaway flake. One more swoosh. There it is. Pull out the close-up. Take a good shot of that. Get in there nicely. Now typically on a video like this I would turn on the record button. Yep, there we go. Look at all that gold. One pan. Well, two pans. Beautiful stuff. Then I stop the record. I zoom in as far as the camera will zoom. Maybe even a bit farther. Oh, too much. Went blurry. Focus again. And record once more. There we go. Amazing gold at the Fraser River. Absolutely love this place. You always have to have good commentary. Okay, that comes off. Throw the camera back in the pocket. Show the camera one more time the gold. And then stop the floating stuff and suck it up. Suck that up. Grab the one flake that jumped back here. Get that. Double check your pan that you didn't miss any. Oh, look at that. I missed one really nice flake. That would have been nice in the photo. One up here too. There's a couple. I'm rushing today. Double check a third time. I guess that'd be triple check. Still one good flake in there. There it is. 2 complete pans, start to finish. Hope you enjoyed this one as much as you enjoyed the last one. And until the next video, bye.